Hey everybody, my name's Jeff and this is GIS Chops. In this video I'm not going to be doing any GIS stuff. This is more to satisfy the geography nerd that lives inside of all of us. This is my browser, and if I hit the plus button to open up a new tab, it gives me a new place on the earth. It has down here in the corner where on the earth it is. This one's in China. All the Google lackeys, I guess, scour the earth and try to find these cool places. You can click on this and it will take you to that location in Google Earth, which is pretty dang cool. So you can explore the area a little more. Also, if you saw a location in some of the previous tabs you opened up and you clicked off it too soon, and wanted to go back and see what that was, if you roll your mouse wheel backwards towards you, it shows you the last 10 iterations of the new tabs it showed you. So with me, I'm always trying to roll my mouse wheel forward to zoom in on it, because, we're so used to using our software scrolling forward zooms in. Anyway, so that's the extension. It's called Earth View from Google Earth. And you can just go to Google and say Earth View extension, and it'll take you here. And then you can click on a button. It'll say add to Chrome or add to Firefox or add to Edge. Does anybody use Edge? So there you go. Very quick video. Like I said earlier in a previous video, I'm trying to upload more frequently. I found a pattern to do that is to do these little mini uploads, mini showcases, and then I'm going to try to do a bigger demo or bigger tutorial once a month. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and change that notification to all so that you get notified of when my content gets uploaded. We'll see you next time. Be good to each other out there.